Welcome! Today we're going to walk you through the simple steps to sign in with your email address on Outlook using the latest update. Whether you're creating a new account or just getting started, this guide will help you set up Outlook quickly and easily. First, open your browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once there, look for the option that says Create Free Account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter an email address. This can be an existing email or a new one you'd like to create. Type in your desired email address and click Next. Now it's time to set up your password. Choose a secure password that meets Microsoft's requirements. At least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your password and click Next once more. Next, you'll need to provide some basic personal information. Fill in your first name and last name in the respective fields. After that, select your country or region from the drop-down menu and enter your birth date. These details are essential for account security and customization. Once you've completed this step, Microsoft will ask you to verify that you're human. This is typically done by solving a simple challenge or entering a code displayed on the screen. Follow the instructions carefully to complete the verification process, and that's it. Your new Outlook account is ready to use. You can now access your emails directly from your browser, or link the account to other Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, or Teams. With Outlook's powerful features and seamless integration into Microsoft 365, managing your emails has never been easier. Thank you for joining us today. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance setting up their Outlook account. Have a great day.